Hey everyone, welcome in, and today we're diving into the fascinating case making headlines in both the sports and family law circles, the child support settlement involving NBA superstar Anthony Edwards. Initial reports sparked a lot of discussion, suggesting a massive upfront payment to cover his child support for the next 18 years. Was it a groundbreaking move, a financial power play, or simply a misunderstanding? We'll break down what we know and explore the possibility of such an upfront payment in California and what it all means. I'm Mark Reel Jr., the father's rights attorney, and before we dive in, if you're a California father and you need help in family court, call a number in the description or click the link to schedule a free, no obligation consultation with my team to discuss your matter. The initial buzz centered around a potential lump sum payment of around $1.08 million. This figure, if accurate, was supposedly intended to cover 18 years of child support and would be a significant departure from typical monthly child support payments. It raised eyebrows and prompted questions about how such an arrangement would actually work. However, it's crucial to note that the child's mother, Aisha Howard, has since publicly refuted these specific reports, stating there is no such lump sum offer or agreement. So while the idea of a substantial settlement remains, the upfront 18-year payment, as initially reported, seems to be inaccurate. To understand why an 18-year upfront payment is unusual, let's quickly recap how child support typically works in the state of California. The state has guidelines that consider factors like both parents' incomes, the child's needs, and the time each parent spends with the child. This usually results in a monthly payment calculated to ensure the child's financial well-being. This system offers flexibility, allowing for adjustments if circumstances change over time, such as a parent's income fluctuates, the child's needs evolve, or the custody arrangement is modified. This brings us to the core question. Could Anthony Edwards, or any parent in California, legally pay 18 years of child support in one go? Well, the answer is nuanced and lawyerly. Potentially, but it's not the norm. California allows parents to agree to deviate from the standard guideline, and a lump sum settlement for future support isn't explicitly forbidden. However, a court's paramount concern is always going to be a child's best interests. For a court to approve such arrangements, several crucial factors would need to be considered. Firstly, the adequacy of the lump sum payment. Would $1.08 million, or any fixed amount, realistically cover 18 years of a child's expenses? Factoring in inflation, the potential for unforeseen costs like significant medical needs or increased educational expenses. Secondly, the financial stability of the paying parent after such an outlay could be a concern. The court wouldn't want a parent to become financially distressed, potentially impacting their ability to contribute to a child's needs in other ways. The court would also need to consider the receiving parent's ability to manage such a large sum responsibly over a long period of time. How would those funds be protected and used for the child's benefit over the next nearly 2 decades? Furthermore, a significant challenge lies in accounting for future contingencies. What happens if custody changes drastically? What if the child develops special needs requiring substantial and ongoing support beyond the initial calculation? A fixed upfront payment lacks the flexibility to adapt to these life changes. Ultimately, the court would need to be overwhelmingly convinced that the unusual arrangement truly serves the child's long-term best interests and provides robust financial security throughout their minority. Due to these complexities, courts generally prefer the adaptability of ongoing monthly payments. While initial reports of a full upfront payment seem inaccurate, the fact that Anthony Edwards and the child's mother reached a settlement is still significant. It highlights the different ways parents can address their financial responsibilities. And while I disagree with Anthony Edwards' desire to have no relationship with his child, to each their own. Even if it involves a more traditional payment structure or different form of long-term security, reaching an agreement demonstrates a commitment to the child's future. The Anthony Edwards case and the discussion around upfront child support payments underscores the complexities of family law. While the idea of clean, upfront resolution might seem appealing, the legal and practical realities, especially in California, make it a rare occurrence, requiring careful consideration and court approval. If you are navigating child support issues, whether exploring a lump sum settlement or understanding your ongoing obligations, it is absolutely crucial for you to consult with a qualified family law attorney in your jurisdiction. They can provide tailored advice based on your specific circumstances and ensure that any agreement reached truly serves the best interest of your child. Thank you for watching, and if you found this content helpful, like and subscribe for more content just like it. If you have any questions or would like to talk to someone on the Real Fathers Rights team, comment RFR below and our team will reach out with how we can schedule a time for a free, no obligation consultation.